So we're back down at the lofts. We're just going to get ready to have the young birds out. We have managed to gain a young bird. It actually came down with one of the local fanciers' birds. We have contacted the owner. He says he'll quite happily transfer it over to us. We have had it separated for about 3 or 4 days. We got it on Tuesday and kept it separated, and then on Friday when we had these out, we put it in the aviary so that you could see them out. And then yesterday we let it out with these, and we actually expected it to just up and off, but it didn't. It actually hung around and passed around on the floor with the other birds, and then 3 or 4 of them went up, had a fly around, and he went up with them. We didn't expect him to stick around, but he did. He come back down, and then when we whistled them all in, all 11 of ours trapped straight in. He came onto the landing board and he was trying to get in, but wasn't sure how to use the bob wires, so we pinned some of them up out of the way. He trapped straight through, so obviously he needs a bit of trap training, but not too bad. I'll just show you him now anyway. Just make sure he's actually even up here. Bear with 2 seconds. So here he is. He's going through a bit of a molt at the minute, so he's looking a bit worse for wear, bless him. He's a Franz Wolf's bird, which are middle distance birds. So, you know, obviously a bit out of the norm for the ones that we've already got, because ours are all sprint birds. We have put 2 coloured rings on his legs just so that we know which one he is. So hopefully that he'll stick around when we have him out in a bit. Right, just going to let the birds out. There we go. Oh, that's it, ruffling the feathers. They know what that open door means. Come on then, you're that. That's it. And once they're all out, we'll just shut the aviary door back up so that they don't go back in. So we've got 2 on the roof. We've got 4 on top of the aviary, and the rest are all on the floor. And that one there, that's Freeman. That's the one that that we gained. So he's still hanging about at the minute. There he is. Just having a little potter about. That's 49, that's the one that first learned how to trap. But he's been nicknamed Chicken because he seems to he walks and runs a bit like a chicken. Just having a bit of a flutter about, stretching the wings out. You can't get through there. You're meant to come round. That one does that every day. I thought it'd have learnt by now. This one here, this is the one that when we first let him out, after only having it 2 days, it disappeared, but then returned the next morning. You're meant to be going up flying, babies. So we've been having them out now for about 6 days. We let them out for roughly about half an hour, 45 minutes. Sometimes we get 3 or 4 up into the air, but they go up, they fly around a couple of times and they come back down. So they're not up for too long. So if anyone's got any advice on getting them up in the air, be greatly appreciated. So that one just there, going back a few days ago, wasn't very well, ended up with a crop full of seed. It didn't want to eat, didn't want to move. It was really bad. We didn't think that it was actually going to make it, but then the next day, absolutely fine. We dipped his head in water to just try and encourage him to drink, and he picked up really well. So, you know, we're quite surprised with that one. That one there, that's 49er, or chicken. And then we've got that one just there, that's the one with the red ring on. That one's Geronimo. Yeah, we like to just come down, sit and watch them. They're quite funny to watch. Just pottering around there. That laid down there, chilled out, being lazy. That's Freeman. That's the one that we gained. I think he's rather chill being here. They're just enjoying the sun. Having a little wander around. Had a couple go up and around. One up there on top of the aviary. That's it, that. Oh, there we go. So they all like they've had enough and they're all ready to go in. So, got my whistle. This is like a magic wand to them. And so we're just going to open it up at the trap and whistle them in. That's Freeman. He was a bit unsure on using the bob wires still, bless him. That's a good boy. There we go. So they're all down eating. They trapped in really well. And hope you enjoyed watching. Freeman stuck around, which was good. Hopefully, you know, he stays again tomorrow when we have them out. And anyone's got any advice on how we can get them up into the air, please, you know, leave us a comment. We always like to hear what people's thoughts are. And we'll see you again soon.